What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we're going to go over this Ortho Weed Clear Lawn Weed Killer. It kills your dandelions, crabgrass, clovers, and all types of other weeds. It says it right there. I know I'm not supposed to say that word. I'm supposed to say unalive. So right there, unalive 200 plus weeds. Treat up to 5,000 square foot. Now, honestly, that's depending on how you spray, you guys. All right. Um, so yeah, it says kill unalive weeds to the root. Rainproof in 1 hour. So we definitely don't have rain coming, you guys. It's 100 degrees today. Well, not right now. That's why I'm out here like 7 o'clock in the morning. All right. So it's supposed to be 100 degrees today. And I'm in Maryland, and that's just life. So if you're in Maryland, you know the humidity is crazy. My AC is constantly running, and our BG&E, which is our electric bill, will be like $1,000. All right, you guys, sense of humor. All right, we're living. So let's go ahead and spray this stuff. Before you spray this, one of the most important things you need to know is to wear your PPE. If you get very heavy skin irritation, rashes, and all of that stuff, if your skin is very sensitive, make sure you wear gloves, all your proper PPE, long sleeves, long pants, water shoes if you have any water shoes, rain boots or whatever. My skin don't really get that irritated. I usually wear my gloves when I do this, you guys, but I'm not going in the house right now. Apply when daytime temperatures are below 90 degrees. So we are already at 80 something. Let me go ahead and hook this up. This is a quick connect. If y'all don't know, I'll try to link it if I remember. If not, remind me, and then I'll send you the link to these little quick connects. Very nice. On and off, shut off for the water right here. And what we're gonna do is turn the water on, make sure we are tight. All right, no leaks. Perfect. Now it says off right here, and then it says water on. So let's see if we click it up, see what happens. Oh, okay. So that's a little bit powerful. I said powerful. Powerful. That startled me a little bit. All right. So it sprays out a little bit different than the weed stop. So I don't have that much weeds here. It's pretty much dead over here, you guys. I haven't fed the birds in a couple of months. I know they mad at me, but I'm spraying a lot of chemicals down, and I don't want the squirrels and the birds to be eating the chemicals. I know I'm an advocate, right? Until I eat chicken. Spray in here a little bit. We are going to see the difference. Also, when you spraying, you want to work from uh, the back of your gate or wherever uh, you're going to start further from, and then you want to work back to your spigot. Sometimes sometimes I just go at it, but somebody did catch me slipping on one of my videos. And for the love of everything, you guys, don't get your neighbors mad. You don't have to spray their yard, just spray your yard. Okay? And then we all could live happily ever after. It says it kills crabgrass, dandelions, and all types of 200 weeds that we don't know no names about. I let the weed scholars figure that out. All right, you guys, we are going to do a round two on half of the yard. Pull that back, push in, then we'll lock it. Yep, that's locking. All right, let's go ahead and start spraying this stuff, you guys. I advise y'all, if y'all scared of snakes and stuff. I seen a couple snakes back here before. You may not want tall grass. Oh, what am I got going on right here? Okay, so you may not want tall grass. Uh, but most of the snakes back here, they're like the garden snakes and those what they call it, rat snakes or whatever. I do have mice roaming in that daggone stupid shed. I have poison, but not worried about them right now. I'm worried about this grass. Also, when you're doing this, you will want to put on your proper PPE. If your skin gets real irritated, you got some macho men out there uh, that's willing to do this in flip flops. Okay, But for the most part, if you get really irritated with your skin, I suggest that you will use long sleeves, long pants, gloves. All right, you guys, so here we go. We're going to have our versus battle, and I have already sprayed this side with the Weed Stop, and I sprayed this side with the Ortho Weed Clear. So I sprayed this side already. All right, so basically I split it down just like that. I couldn't find my spray can where you can, draw the line. You know how they do in soccer fields? You draw the line on the grass. I couldn't find my spray stuff, so it is what it is. So we have an imaginary line. I started here with this, and I started this side with that. So just doing a little quick verses to see who works better, who works faster. All right, everyone. So we are 1 week later, and I have to say that the left side looks better than the right side, but we have more weeds on the left side. So all in all, you guys, both of these products worked similar. There was no difference. If there was a difference as far as the depth of the weed, I would have definitely replied back faster. They was working both at the same pace, and yeah, so pretty much the weeds are brown, okay? And the grass is growing pretty good. I'm ready to give it a cut, maybe like later on today, but I would definitely give it a cut. You see all the weeds that turn brown, and the grass is growing, okay? And that might be because I'm aerating my lawn on the daily. I know people gave me hassle about this product right here, but it's doing me justice, okay? All right, it's doing me justice. Now we do have some stubborn weeds right here. Look at all those stubborn clovers. All right, clovers are damn near indestructible, you guys. All right, but we do have a lot of weed that died. We have clovers coming up. So yeah, what I will do is keep spraying. I'm going to spray monthly until August, you guys. I'm going to spray monthly until August. And then we will see how everything will turn out. But August, I will be overseeding, and I will be doing lawn leveling. I will level the lawn. I will use topsoil and sand. All right. I looked at some channels and they said they level with sand. I never really tried leveling with sand before, so y'all can let me know how that works. But yeah, let me know how that worked with sand leveling. I'm gonna try it out, see how it works back here. Maybe everything will be a little bit better as far as leveling wise. I did lawn leveling before, but it was with compost. But this time around, we will definitely use sand and topsoil. So yeah, but blah 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 blah. That's it, you guys. The review for the Weed Stop and the Weed Clear. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, if y'all know any other weed unaliver or weed and grass unaliver, whatever you use, I'm not using it in the lawn as far as taking out my grass. But if you know, or if you want me to test something out as far as eliminating weed, please send it to me ASAP, because I am going to spray another dosing of weed control, because I don't want crabgrass, you guys. I do not want crabgrass. I still have some of the tenacity, but I want to use other things that other people use, something different, and that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.